guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're in a different environment to usual. This is my living room. My ring light and camera and everything were downstairs, so I thought I'd just film here. So this is my house. I've got a fun video today. So yesterday I got sent a box. So I received this, and this is a box of PR goodies from MEHRON UK for the Halloween season. So luckily I got chosen to be part of the MEHRON Terror Tribe, as it's called. They let me choose a few things from the website, from the Treasure House of Makeup, which is somewhere you can go and buy face paint, makeup, special effects things. Yeah, so they let me choose a few things, and then I have to create a few different Halloween tutorials for them. When they said that to me, I was so excited to be a part of this. So if you want to see what I chose and what's in the box, then stay tuned. So I pulled that back, and there's my goodies. And then the first thing I saw was this cute personalised little makeup bag which says my name on it. Makeup. I mean, I just can't even believe how generous they've been with me. So the things I chose for MEHRON for my Halloween looks. First of all, they sent me this little cup. I don't know if that's meant to be for like, you could use it as like a water cup to wash out your brushes, but I think I might drink out. I kind of thought, what are the main things that I need to create Halloween looks? So they've sent me like quite a lot of special effects stuff, which is really cool. So they've sent me some spirit gum, which I will use to apply some small prosthetic pieces I've bought for my Halloween looks. Liquid latex, which is a key Halloween makeup staple to create some creepy, gory, torn skin looks. Extra flesh. So I'm guessing that's like nose and scar wax. So you can use it to create like cut. And then I chose the rose gold metallic powder, and it comes with this mixing liquid, and it basically, like, when you mix it with that, it turns into like liquid gold or silver, whatever colour you choose. And it's really amazing for like face painting and things. So thinking of like a rose gold skull maybe with that. And then they sent me two colours in the HD Celebrate Pro foundation. So this one is the one I guessed to be my skin colour, and then I went for this white one as well, just because it's Halloween. Got a few different fake bloods. So this is the blood splatter. So that's going to be really fun when I finished like a bit of a gory Halloween look to just spray that on. I've never had anything like that. I imagine it's really messy, but I'm really excited to use that. And then two different shades of squirt blood. So as you can see, this one's a bit darker. And then, I mean, you've probably seen in my videos, I use the MEHRON Paradise paint all the time. They are water activated face paints. So they've sent me the black and white ones, which will really come in handy. I use this for white bases, so like clowns and skulls. I always use this. So just send me any of the Paradise paints because I will use any colour. I already own quite a few of them. And they even sent me a palette of Paradise paints. So these all look metallic to me. With all my looks, I had face paint and stuff, and then I'll always go over with like eyeshadow to create like shading and depth. So I asked for this eye and cheek powder palette, which I can't believe they've sent me as well. So generous. So it's got the classic black and white that I will use for shading. And then last but not least, they even sent me some of the intense pressed powder pigments. This is the earth one because when I looked at the colours, I thought they were so Halloweeny. We're missing one, but don't ask. So I thought these were such beautiful Halloween fall colours. So that is everything they've sent me. How exciting, so generous of them to send me all these things. I was going to start creating some looks today, but my eyes are a bit sore, so I'm going to leave it until tomorrow. So yes, this is basically all the essentials you need to do some good Halloween makeups. So I'm really excited to get started tomorrow. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I've got some really cool, gory Halloween looks coming up. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.